Hello everyone, my name is Alif Mirbar and I'd like to welcome you all to Data with Alif channel where you learn the data analysis from the beginning, from the scratch. And as we have already crossed through all our previous lectures of MS Excel, from today we are going to start making dashboard in MS Excel so that you may understand how to work on data analysis and how you will generate the real life experience of it. So this is the data set of the e-commerce business, and we have it in index and order ID, customer ID, gender, age, data, status, channel, category, quantity, the amount, district. And we need first of all we need to find out the requirements of it of the company, so that we may find out on each and everything. This is a Upsell Limited company. There is a e-commerce based company. They are selling their product online through their concerned business partners, and they would like to make their annual sales report for the year 2024. And you need to analyze this data set as per their requirement. Like they need the KPIs of the total sales, the total orders, the average sales per order, then make a comparison of sales versus order status month wise. Okay, so what we need to find out on first of all we just need to go through the if there is any month, and we can find out on from that data set or not. So there is no data set, no information of the month, and we just have that data column. From here we just need to find out the data, and we just need to insert a column at first, and so that we may work on it. And so first of all we just need to call the text. Okay, so text format, and the value is the date, and we just need to put beg a pardon. Okay, the value is the date, and then put a comma, then space, then mmm. Okay, triple M. So we so that we may find out it in a short format. So we have find out the month. So this is the month name column. Okay, month name, one after another the month name. So I need to make it a bit shorter. So if we press the down arrow marker, so we can easily find out April, August, December. This is there quite disorganized information. So we will work on it later, so we just make it highlighted like, as we have already find out the month names. So now we just need to go to the requirement again, what are the men versus woman sales ratio, and then what is the overall the order delivery status of the company, then what is the sales performance of the top 5 cities, and then order comparison by age group and the gender wise info distribution. Okay, now first of all, we just need to find out the age group. If we have the age group or not. So index, order ID, then customer ID, then gender, then age. So we don't have any information of the age groups, and as we all know that there is a generation between different age groups, and so we just need to go through the age group one. So this is the age group by generation pattern. So we have a baby boomers we are done there who are 62 to 80, then the age group is 46 to 61, then the age group is 30 to 45, is the millennials, then the Gen Z 14 to 29. So all those four parts, and we will distribute one after another from the taking this part, and then insert a column, then we just need to write it age group. Okay, so what we have understand and how we can work on it, and first of all, if we just need to call the if function, so that we may find out one after another all in one place. And so if we need to call at first, the logical test is age, and so we just need to select the age, then age group is greater than equal to, if the age is greater than equal to, so what is the base is 62, more than 62. If the age is more than 62, then that will call the boomers. Okay, boomers. So what we need to do is we need to put another comma, then value if false. So instead of false, we need to call again the if function, and then call the age again. So the age again we have called, and then greater than equal to, the greater than equal to, then how much is the next group, which is Gen X, okay, is 46 to 61. So we need to call the 46, okay, 46 okay, is the Gen X. Okay, Gen X, we need to call, and then we need to put a comma, then we just need to call the if function again, then the agent again we just need to call, then we just need to call, then greater than equal to, then 46. After 46, what is the millennial age, and is 30 plus. Okay, so the 30 plus, we just need to call the 30, then put a comma, then we just need to millennials, so close the inverted comma, then last of all is Gen Z. Okay, so Gen Z is the final term. So now we just need to close the bracket, and we just need to call, put enter on it, and so we have gotten our four generations of a year. So the all the age groups, and those are the age groups, and we have find out. Now we just need to highlight it, make it highlighted, and so we just need to find the KPIs. So this is the existing sheet, and I just need to delete, and this is what I've done previously. So we just need to call the data set, again go to the data set, and then put an insert, and then I hope you have already gone through the pivot table information in the previous lecture. So I'm not going to tell you that again, but for the working, and we just need to call it like pivot table, we just need to call, then we are going to the existing table like KPIs, and here I just need to call the beg your pardon. This is the existing one. So what happened? I am willing to call the then pivot table again, existing worksheet, and then KPI sheet, and here I'm just going to put it on. Okay, we couldn't insert the pivot table at the selected location in the sheet KPI, because there's already a pivot table in table 1. There, make some space. Okay, So we just need to put it in another place, so that we may, okay, now the existing KPI sheet, we are going to put here, like the C, it's in the C column. Okay, so inserting your pivot table here will result in overwrite of existing data in the KPIs reported. Yes. Okay. So this is the information that we have already gone to the pivot table, and we just need to select the pivot table name. So this is the total sales. Uh, I'm going to put another S because I have already created that the pivot table. So what we need to find out over here is the calculate the total sales, and so the total sales, and we just need to calculate from here where is the sales amount, and this is the amount given over here. Now I just need to format a bit more, so we just need to go to the home tab and put a comma. Then I'm going to reduce the decimal spaces, and then what we need to do, this is the total sales, total sales. So this is the heading. I have already put it on. Now we just need to call another KPI, and which is the I have made it already, so I'm going to highlight it. Then total orders, we just need to find out the total orders. How we can make the calculate the total orders, and we just need to call the order ID, and then we can get the exact information. Then again I'm going to put the pivot table, existing worksheet, and going to the KPIs, and I'm going to put it over here again. So this is the total order, total order value, order V. Okay, so we just need to call the order ID. So and once I press the order ID over here, it gives me a row created over here, which is not going to give us the actual value. So there you can see from here the pivot table field and the drag between fields between areas, and below is the information given over here. We just need to select the order ID and put it over the order value, and this will give us the accurate information. So what we need to do is an count of order. Instead of count of order ID, I just need to put it on like a total orders. Okay, so the theme is the column need to make some changes, and so we just need to call it in a separate place, so that we may calculate in a proper way. So this is the thing, we just need to make to calculate the actual information, but what we have to do is in the home tab, put a comma, reduce the decimal points, and then again call it here, and then what we need to do is we need to call the another one, which is average sales per order. Okay, so the average sales per order, and sales per order. Okay, so what we need to do is we just need to call the we just need to put an equal marks, and then we sales per order. So now we just need to call the sales and divided by the total order, and now we need to call it equal, and then we just need to reduce the decimal points, and this will give us the actual information. So after point on, okay, as this is a sales per order, okay, you just need to show the round figure. So you don't need to work on it a lot, so we are going to control and make it more highlighted, so that we may understand those are the KPIs that we have made over here. Now what we need to do is we just need to go to another requirement, and that is the men versus women. So how to make a comparison of sales of order status on month wise. Okay, so month-wise, just need to make a graph. We just need to make the overall order. We just need to make a beg your pardon, make a comparison of sales and order status. So we have found already the two portions. What we can do now is the sales versus order status month wise. Okay, let's go to the pivot table again, then insert the pivot table into the existing worksheet area. So men versus woman, we just need to call here we have now already calculated done the men versus woman information. So we just need to call the pivot table men versus woman, men versus woman. Okay, so we just need to call gender group, so gender we are calling the here, and then what we need to do is we just need to find out the people by age group or currency, like how many genders are available over there. So men, okay, let me make it more clear again, the sales amount. Okay, so the sales amount would be in here is the amount. Okay, so we have already found our status and our information, and so what we have to do is we can find out, and we just need to close the grand total value, will remove the grand total, and this is quite a bit neat, clean and tidy information. Okay, so we just need to write this gender, and this is the total sales. Okay, total sales. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to find out the comparison between sales versus order status month wise. Okay, so the sales versus order status month wise, we have to find out men versus woman sales. This is the men versus all woman sales, and we are making it a total sales. So what we need to find out on this is the ratio. What are the men versus woman sales ratio? We just performed it here in men versus woman, and now we need to find out the ratio of the sales. So the value we just need to make it more organized so the value field that will be making in a percentage, show the value as an percentage of grand total. Okay, so the so the ratio will be given like that then. So now what we need to do is we will do that later. The comparison we need to show over here. Then what we have in the data set, what is our requirement, next requirement, that is the make a comparison between sales versus order. We will work on it later. So overall order status of the company, and let us do whatever we can do one after another. Okay, let's insert the pivot table in the order status. So let's go to the order status. What we have as an order status. Okay, so we just need to change the pivot table name, that is order status. Okay, so the pivot table has been named as the order status, and now we have to find out the order status, and where is the channels. And first of all we just need to find out the status. Okay, how many has been cancelled, how many delivered, how many refunded, how many returned done. We just need to find out so order status and order ID as per given information. So we just need to take the order ID to the value, so that we may find out all the information accordingly. So and let's put a comma in the home tab, and we just need to put the comma separator, and we just need to close it. Okay, so the let's close the value of the grand total, and then we have already find out on the our information. So order status, this is order status, and then total order. Okay, order. Okay, so the order status is the this is total order, total order. Okay, now what we need to do is we just need to find out the order status, how many has been sold, and now let's go to the data set again, and put the insert pivot table, and go to the existing worksheet, and where is the existing worksheet. Then we just need to find out the top 5 cities that we are going to work on. So top 5 cities, and this is what we need to find out. Top 5 cities. Okay, so we have named it the top 5 cities, and then we just need to call the cities division district, and so division or district, top 5 cities is called the division. Okay, district, and the as per sales, so the as per sales, we have called it, and now we just need to find out the value from here, and sort the value, like make show the details, show the value. Okay, now we just need to find out from here the filter it, like here is an option that we click the right click, and then a filter option we have gotten, and the top 5 cities, and we just need to find out from here, but let's put it on 5. Okay, so we have got our expected sales amount of the top 5 cities, and we just need to put a comma, and we just need to close it and close the grand total again, and we just need to go to the okay, this is the series, and this is total sales. Okay, okay, now what we need to do is we need to go to the and here again in the data set, then put the pivot table, go to the existing worksheet, and now we just want to find out the order, sales versus order. So we just need to insert over here, and we need to sales, we need to name it as sales versus order status. Okay, so we have already named it done, and now we just need to call the month name on, and this is the information. See, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now what we need to do is we just need to find out sales at first, so the sales amount, we just need to put it over here, and then order status, and so if we select order ID, it will go to straightway to the column, and we just need to select it and drag it to the down. Okay, so we just need to select over here, go to the home tab, make a comma separator, and reduce the decimal points, and this looks better, clean and tidy. So need to close the remove grand total, and we just need to we are going to select over here like total sales and total sales, and then this is the total order. Okay, month wise, we have gotten all the information month. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to do it later. We just need to go to the data set again, and again we just need to work on another top. We have already done the top 5 cities comparison. Let's highlight it. Then sales versus month wise, sales versus order status month wise, and we have done it. Now overall order delivery status, overall order delivery status, we have already make it, and order comparison by age group, and gender. um, Okay, so now we just need to find out on the what is the sale order comparison by age group, and gender wise. Okay, so what we have to do is we just go to the data set again, and then again put the pivot table, again go to the existing worksheet, and so where is the order status. Here we just need to put it on, and we just need to write on the order status on. Okay, so the order status on by gender. Okay, so what we have to do is on by group. Okay, let me write it again. This is by group. Okay, so by age group, we just need to find out on the age group. At first, this is the age group, the boomers, Gen X, Gen Z, millennials, and last, then we just need to find out on the gender, like where is the gender. Okay, we just need to we have got the gender wise. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to go to here again, then put the gender. Where is the gender? Okay, this is the gender status, but not in here. We just need to take it to the woman column, then we just need to find out the value of the order. So let us close in this remove grand total, and then remove this grand total, and this is quite nice, clean and tidy. So what we have to do is we just need to make it more organized, and we need to put a comma separator, so the information there looks clean, nice, clean and tidy. Okay, now what we need to do is we just need to go to the channel wise sales amount in the top 5 cities. So it's okay. Okay, so channel wise sales amount, we just need to find out on we are going to here, and then we are going to put the pivot table. Press the pivot table and existing worksheet, then go to the channel wise sales, and here we just need to put the channel wise sales, and like here we just need to put the channel wise sales. Okay, okay, now the theme is where sales amount and channel wise sales amount, so the channel we just need to call, and then the sales amount we need to call it again. So make a remove the grand total again, and then put a comma separator over here, and close the decimals again. And now what we need to do is we need to filter it again, and put the top 5 sales amount. Okay, so the top 5 sales amount we have already got from here. Now we just need to organize it from larger to the smaller, and we need to rename it like channel, and this is the sales amount we have made. So the information whatever we need done, we have got done from here, like this is the age group, age group. Okay, so now we just need to find out if everything is all right or not, so that we may work on one after another. So this is the KPI sheet, from where we will call all the information. So and now we just need to call the gender wise total sales. First of all, we just need to do the men versus women sales comparison. So we just select it, and go to the pivot table analyzer, and press the pivot chart, and from here this gives us a wrong information. This is not the recommended chart, and so if you need to find out actual comparison, you just need to call the pie chart, or you have to call the donut chart. So what we have to do is we have to press OK over here. Now we need to make some conversion, so here we just need to rename the total sales to men versus woman. Okay, men versus woman sales. Okay, the total amount done. We just need to close on, and we just need to hide this information and hide all buttons in the chart, and so we don't need the legends on or okay, we just need to keep it here. Now what we need to do is we need to do the format the data series, and so the donut hole must be like an 40% and okay. So what we need to do is we need to change the color of it, and we have already gotten the dashboard color. This is the dashboard where we need to work on, and then here the total sales, and we are going to copy it and paste it, and this is the shortcut, this is the shortcut we can do, and so that we just note, and we don't need to worry about it, and for the second portion, so total sales we just need to call, and this is the delete. I'm deleting it. Then I just need to put like a equal sign, and I'm going to the order status KPI sheet, and the total sales, and we just need to call. So the KPI we have gotten is the information like beg your pardon. So we just need to make it more bold, bigger. Okay, so we just need to make it white in color. So we just need to paste it again. So let's go to here, and then we just need to remove the total the total sales, and we just need to put press over here in the value formula tab and make equal to, and next we need to go to the order total orders and number of orders. Okay, so the number of orders has been given over here, and then we just need to make it more bigger. Okay, so now the average sales per order, so average sales per order, we just need to keep it nice, clean and tidy. So what we have to do is we just need to keep it a bit down, and then we need to delete it, and equals the information. You just need to sales per order. Okay, this is the average sales per order. Now we just need to get probably my selection was wrong, and what we have to do is we have to delete it, and select the formula tab, then equal to, then let's find the KPI sheet, and select the sales order, average sales order. So we just need to make it more formatted, and formula wise information we have got. So 682 average sales order, and the number of order is 31,047. Then total sales is 21 million. Okay, now what we need to do is we just need to make it a bit more smaller. So we just need to format it and format the cells, and cell, and we just need to make a select here over here, and this is the information we can get done. So let's check over here, like the information I have given is the correct. Okay, 21,176k total sales amount. So now what we need to do is we just need to make the the charts more efficient and elective in a method. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to select the colors that we have made over here. So we just need to select the color code. This is the pie chart, and we just need to go to the sales order. Okay, woman versus men. And at first we just need to select the format data series and the fill color we just need to select the color. First of all we can select the men, and the men you can give like this. Okay, so the men has been selected, and now we just need to select the woman. So woman will be darker, and this is the information you can get from here. Now we just want to change the background color and make it more sober in then we have to find out the actual information so that we may work on it again and again, and we just need to give it a color, more organized color. So this is the information we just need to edit again, then put the color into like make it white. Okay, so the information I don't want to get it and I just want to delete data. So we just need to select here over here, and then we just need to insert the data labels. Okay, so the data labels we just need to insert over here, and then the data labels are call out value data call out so we can take it to the outside. We can take it to the outside, and this will make more easier to view over here. So now we have two things to insert as we have gotten see the men and woman information. We just need to select, we just need to find out the main sign. So copy it. Let's go to the tab, the value tab, main information we will insert over here, and beg your pardon, and this will go over here. Okay, all right, so make it press make it shorter, and this is the main information we can get. And now we just need to go to the page again, and copy it and then paste it over here again, and let's put it over here and make it more smaller so that it looks nice, clean and tidy. Okay, so the information we have already gotten over here. Now we just need to go to the order status, so the order status, we just need to find from here. Okay, Let's select over here and then go to the recommended done pivot table and pivot chart done. So this looks not so nice, and so what we have to do is we just need to find out the most efficient chart from here. Okay, like recommended chart and it will give us the information like this. Okay, so this looks pretty messy, so we just need to sort out sort this as per the large to the sort this large to smaller. Okay, so the information and looks more pretty, and then let's go to the information tab, and the information we will get from here is the data section. Okay, the four information has been given over here. Now let's put the information that put the data level at data levels, and then it will go towards up in the air, and then we just need to select over here. We just need to format the data series, and then we just need to select the gap white to the 40% done. Okay, so it looks much better, and now we just need to fill out the value one after another, so that we may find out the actual value of it. Like this is the highest cell. We just need to highlight it in a proper way, like this is the blue, then the second cells, we just need to select over here. The second cells will be in this color, and then the third one we just need to want to put it on this color, and the last one, the refund one, we just need to select this is not selecting itself, we just need to select it, and then we just need to make it bit more efficient. Okay, so the background color, we just need to change the background color. We want to change the background color. If we select red color, this is not efficient, and it makes us messy feels like messy. Okay, so the information has been given is like this, and now I'm going to close the value tab. Remove the hide all the buttons in the chart, so the total sales on like an order status and total order status. Okay, so the information we have already got from here. Now we just need to insert and it in a proper way, or in dark color, like automatic color, make it bit bold, so that we may see it easily. Now I don't want this, and this is the information we have got. Now what we have to go do is we have to find out the sales versus order, and then we just need to select the pivot table, and then we just need to go to the pivot table analyzer, pivot chart, and insert our recommended chart, and like recommended chart, and then we cannot compare it as per given. If we select it if we select it over here, it does not gives us the comparison between total sales and total orders. So what we need to do is we need to delete it and we just need to go to the insert and the recommended chart again. So this is the combo chart we are going to make. So this will go to the secondary axis and this is the line chart and we need to press it OK over here, and this looks nice and pretty in here. Now we just need to delete the inside the grid lines, and the grid lines we just need to delete and then hide all the buttons over here. So we need to delete here this information. Beg your pardon. Now where we don't need to delete it, and we just need to delete. If we delete it over here, this will give us wrong information. So what we have to do is we have to delete the total sales, as we know that this is the total sales, and we have to do something else so that it looks nice, clean and tidy. We just need to go to the format plot area, then go to the three column option, and then we just need to make it more efficient. And so if we give it 40%, this will give us the most effective information. Then we just need to select it, and this will give us the another marker line. So we just need to make it more smoother. Okay, the line will go smoothly, and then we just need to find out the line, automatic line, and then the line is not there. Oh, okay, smooth line. Okay, so the smooth line we have made over here. Now we just need to make it more efficient, as we have the data set, we have the color of color chosen. So we just need to make it automatic or grid line color. So we just need to change it to here this color, and then we just need to make it red. Okay, so this information and we can get from here. Now we just need to insert a text over here. uh, how we can do that? Okay, let's exist title, exist title, not the exist title, chart title. We just need to put over here. Now we just need to change the chart title name, and so this is the sales versus orders. Okay, so we have made it done properly, and then we just need to make the background done more efficient done, and how we can do that done, the color. Okay, now the color we just need to select over here. If we select this will not work properly for us, and now let's select this. So the information has been given is like this, and we just need to make it more bolder and more effective and shortcut. Okay, so now we just need to find out the Bandarband citizen sales amount, we just need to make it more efficient, and here what we will do is we just need to We just need to sort out a larger to the smaller. Okay, now we have to find out and we have to insert the data as per recommended so the bar chart we just need to select okay, if we select the bar chart this will give us a messy information, and the information we just need to do is okay, we just need to make it more shorter and smaller to the larger. Okay, so the information has been given over here is nice, clean, and tidy. Now we just need to delete the grid lines and the grid line, delete the grid lines and the other ingredients given over here. Now, so let's hide the value buttons, and now we have a nice clean and tidy chart, and we just need to do the formatting, and then we just need to make it gap white 40, so the information we can get like city wise cells and uh, top 5 CD cells, and okay, so the top 5 city cells we have already selected and make it bolder. So we just need to make we just need to insert the data levels over here. This will go inside the tab inside, and what we have to do is we just need to insert fill with the yellow color. Okay, so this looks nice, pretty straightforward, or we can make it like white. Okay, so we just need to select over here. Now we just need to change the grid line. Okay, so the grid line will be like this, and the values has been created, and now we just need to make the background in different colors so that it looks great, and this is the information we can get from here. Now make it block bold, and then let's go to the millennial group one, age group one by gender. Okay, now we just need to find out on the insert tab and find out the recommended chart, and the recommended chart has been given over here. Now press OK, like this is the clustered column chart, the clustered chart. Now we just need to remove the buttons from here. Let's close the amount. Now what we have to do is we have to select the data series, and if we delete over here, the information will be more efficient and effective. Okay, so now we just need to make some formatting, and we will select the woman color in dark mode, and the male color is in the less darker mode. Okay, so let's put a chart title over here, make a suitable chart title, and this will name done like gender wise, and gender group one, age group one, by gender, age group cells. Okay, okay, so age group cells by gender, age group order, orders. Okay, this is order, this is not the orders by gender. Okay, So we just need to select it, make it bold, and then we just need to make it in a different color. We just need to show it in a different color so that we may put it in the chart. So now we just need to go to the next one, the channel wise distribution. What we have to do over here, that we need to put a tree map on. So we just need to select over here and then make it more efficient. So the AI information has been given here is will come over here and then equal to sales amount. Why I'm selecting over here in the outside, because we just need to do a tree map one which is efficient and effective one, and if we select from this chart from the pivot chart, it will not create any kind of sales channel or any kind of tree map one. So make it highlighter, and then we just need to make it a bit bold. So what we have to do is if we press over here, this will not recommend us the pivot and the tree map one. Okay, so if we go to the tree map, it will not give us the tree map. Okay, so that this is why we need to select on outside, and we need to make it make insert on value chart that will give us the tree map. Okay, so this is the tree map and we just need to make and here we will press OK. Then chart title, we just need to change it, and this will be channel wise as channel wise sales or top 5. Okay, and top 5 on channel wise sales on and this is on what you guys have to do, and same thing, we just need to remove it and so that it looks greater, and then we just want to put insert the data level, more data levels, and we just need to do find out this is the information we can get from here. The series name is the sales amount, so we don't need that, we just need to make it more clear and efficient, and we need to find out now if we want to change the color of the background, this is how we can change it, and this is the channel wise sales and channel wise distribution. Okay, now if we want to change the color, and we can select from here, like this looks pretty good and professional, so we just need to select it, and now what we have over here is we have made the channel wise sales on top 5, and then age group distribution we have made, and then we just need to we have made the top 5 city sales, and okay, then we have made the sales versus orders, and then we have made the total order status, and so the dashboard, and we can the order status, and okay, so the delivery, we just need to do the order status, and okay, order status, and we just not need not to make it done so that let's make it the pie chart so it looks good looks great so select over here and make a recommended chart it will be a pie chart so select over here, make it more organized close the button and delete this and now we just need to make it more easier to find out the information format the chart we just need to select over here and then this will be rotate by exploration, not angel first angle. So this is the 90-degree angle we just need to make okay. Now, what we have to do is we just need to analyze the design over here. So the design will be like that, and then we just need to change it and make it more efficient, more effective, and this is the place and what we have found. And now put the data levels and this will be call out value, data call out value. So make it more organized so that it could be found so return information it will go up and the delivered information. So the background will be in different color and the color would be this would be like this. Okay, so the order status we just need to change order status okay, so the information we have found is this we have made a great insight and we just need to change it this will go to the this color and make it black so now we just need to find out on okay KPIs we have already find out on over here. So the dashboard done we are going to make now one after another. So first of all we just need to find out on men versus woman. This is the chart we just need to take from here and to the dashboard blank dashboard we just need to take it over here so that it looks great. Then we just need to close the take it to the full screen mode to work on it and then let's go to the what we have selected is the order status okay. So the order status we just need to go to here and then select it and copy it and take it to our blank dashboard. Okay, so the blank dashboard done we have got done the information over here and we put it on here this is the information we can insert over here and now what we have to do is we have to select the dashboard if we want to remove the background color we just need to go to the dashboard and we just need to delete this one. We just need to delete this one and we just need to format the chart area again and we just need to put the no fill and no line border. Okay, so we just need select the no fill and no line border. So there this will give us the information and the information what we have gotten from here, we just need to make it more bigger. Okay, so this is how you have to work on it. And then what we have to do is we just need to select the next information is the sales order. So the sales order status, we just need to select from here. So we just copy it and take it to the blank. Okay, now we have gotten the information like this is much better, this looks much better, and we just need to make it more bigger. Okay, this is how we have to work on it. And then okay, if we want, we can remove the background, but we don't need to remove the background because we just need the sales versus orders done like status, and we need to compare it one after another, saying like we don't need to worry about it. Now we just need to take the top 5 sales performance. Okay, top 5 cities sales performance, and we just need to select over here, we just need to copy it and we just need to take it like press over here and paste it. Okay, now we just need to make more formatting over here. The selecting here, make it bigger, make it bigger in the downward so the it looks great, nice and tidy. Okay, now we just need to find out on the sales dashboard on performance order comparison. Okay, so the order comparison, what we have to do is order status comparison. Okay, so if we select like order status and like show value as the percentage of grand total, then it will give us like this information. So we just need to make it a copy and take it to there to the dashboard and then make it paste over here. Okay, so this is how you have to work on here, and then we just make it a bit bigger. Okay, so and bit longer. Okay, so the men versus woman has been deducted and done. The data level we just need to insert on over here, so the data level we just need to put over here as well. This is how you have to work on it. And now the dashboard about the sales performance and the sales status, the channel wise sales. So the channel wise sales, we just need to copy it and then take it to the dashboard and paste it over here, so that then we may find out all the information from one place. Okay, so this is how you'll have to work on in a dashboard. This is the dashboard, which is nice, clean and tidy. Now what we need more, we need more information, like they want to take they want to take the division wise and category wise slices. They once they press here the category wise information, they will easily select here. So let's go to the order status and let me check again the division wise and category wise. Okay, so the division wise information, we just need to go to the information and like division wise. Okay, the division wise. Now we just need to find out from here, like here if we select we just need to select over here. Now make it show ribbons, and now we just need to find out the slices, as per our given information. We just need to insert slicer. First one is division wise cells and order status. Okay, division wise, and this one is Borishal, Chittagong, Dhaka, Khulna, Rangpur, Sylhet. Okay, now what we need to find out is we have got the slicer of divisional, and now we need to find out the category wise sales performance. Okay, so the category we will select, again from here we just go to the pivot table analyzer and insert a slicer again, like it was category wise sales. Okay, so the information we have already taken from here. Now we just need to copy those those slices, and we just need to make it paste it over here, and then we have an information regarding this, and then we just need to remove from here. We just need to select it, and then we just need to make it a bit wider, bit bigger. Okay, or we can make it smaller, and then we can take the division wise cells over here, and then we just need to select over here and drag it to the down. Okay, down arrow, and then this so that it fits well in here. We just need to make it a bit smaller. Okay, now this is the division wise cells, and we have the category information one after another. Okay, so the category information we have put on over here. We just need to make it by perfect, and then we just need to connect it with the sales ratio. Okay, so the category wise sales and peekaboo. So the first of all, we just need to select the Borishal and the Chitang. This will not work in anywhere. Okay, so if we select from here, it goes on. It gives us this information. We just need to clear it, and we just need to connect those information one after another with the with those charts. So what we can do, we have to go to the report connection option, and then we just need to select category wise like sales and category wise orders and the average sales. So we can keep the KPIs connected with this, and then men versus woman sales, and then order status by group, and then top 5 cities, and we need to connect, then sales versus order we need to connect, then channel wise sales, and we need to connect. Okay, so if we say press OK, it will give us information one after another. Okay, so electronic cells, and once we select the electronics, it will give us this kind of information. Then if we select fashion and beauty, then we can easily identify all the information as per given status. Okay, so now we just need to connect the division beg your pardon. So connect the division wise cells and like channel wise, then total order with total sales order, then order status, then top 5 cities, then top sales and versus then men versus woman. Okay, so I hope I've already connected everything with the with the slicer, and we just need to if we want to check the electronics information, and if we want to make it full size, if we want to check it whether this is changing or not, we can easily make select from here, like Boishal, Dhaka, Khulna, Chittagong, Sylhet, everything we can find out from here. So this is how you have to select, and let's make the name Upsell E-Commerce Annual Report. Okay, Upsell E-Commerce Annual Report. Okay, so this is how you have to work on different kind of dashboards. So if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and share with your family and friends, and the data enthusiasts who are willing to learn the data analysis from the beginning, from the scratch. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day, and I hope you